What's going on, guys? So here's a quick tip: how to fill up your pool and don't have to pay for it. So basically I installed these gate valves, as you can see here. When it comes springtime, I'll shut them off. That way the water doesn't drip out of it anymore. And I have this special cover that allows the rainwater to actually seep through. So all the rainwater, like I said, I do it in the springtime so that way I can prevent it from freezing. And I close the valves, and then that's it. It catches all the rainwater. So when I'm in a couple of months, when it's time to open up the pool will be nice and full. I'll run the pump for a couple of hours. I'll install my heater here, and the pool will be ready to go. Another quick tip: I did a video last fall about this leaf net. I don't know if you can see it. Yep. So basically it sits right on top of the pool, as you can see right here. And yeah, it's actually pretty amazing. As you can see here, got a couple of twigs, a couple of little things falling from the tree right now, but I have all these trees over here and not one leaf. Yeah, so if you guys have a lot of leaves in your yard, this is definitely a thing to get here, this leaf net. I actually left it on here all winter. Usually by this time, I got a swamp in here full of leaves and I gotta clean it all out, but as you can see, not even one leaf in the pool. So yeah, quick tip: the leaf net cover just glides right over the top, and the valves. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Catch you next time.